स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं सेशन 6 ऑफ BSc-LS। रीअरेंज वर्ड्स टू फॉर्म करेक्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्टार्ट करने वाले स्टार्ट Which sentence correctly uses because? I like apples because they are sweet. Match the sentence to its type. I like dancing because it is fun. Like with a reason. I don't like. Dislike with a reason. Submit. Match the food with the correct reason. Apple because it is sweet, banana because it is soft, ice cream it is cold and sweet, egg because it smells. Next, put the following order in the correct order to form a sentence. I like apples because they are sweet. Next, बस क्लिक करना है and next, click on the word that connects the reason because the connect, click करके submit. Because is used to give a reason for a preference. True. Listen and repeat. I like banana because they are soft. Next, what do you like to eat and why? I like apples because they are sweet. Submit. Which sentence express a dislike with a reason? I don't like eggs because they smell. Rearrange the words to form correct sentence. I love my country. Correct sentence. Next. Okay, listen and identify preferences. Start. Which sentence uses because to explain a preference? I like to dance. I like to dance because it is fun. Match the activity with the reason. Running. I don't like running because I get tired. I like drawing because it is fun. Swimming because it is cold. Singing because it makes me feel happy. Match the sentence to the image. I like apples because they are sweet. I don't like soup because it is hot. Okay, I don't like running because I get tired. Click to reveal. Next, click on the word that connects that reason. Because I like apples because they are sweet is a complete sentence. True. Listen and repeat. What food do you not like and why? Which sentence express a dislike correctly? I don't like ice cream because it is cold. Listen and answer. Start attempt. What do you like? से related है. थोड़ा सा आवाज कम कर दो. Start. Hence express a preference and reason correctly. I like books. I like books because they are fun. I like books. I like books. They are fun because they are fun. Second. Okay, match reason phrases to correct sentences. I like taste because it is sweet. I don't like fish because it smells. I like dancing because it is fun. I don't like waking up early because it is hard. Next, match the sentence to its type. I like reading. It's a like sentence. I don't like spicy food. Dislike sentence. Put the following words in the correct order to form a sentence. I like dancing because it is fun. Submit. Next, click to reveal. Only just click. Submit. Next, click on the word that connects the reason. because पे click करेंगे and submit. I like apples because is a complete sentence. False. Listen and repeat. Only click and next. Subject. What subject do you enjoy at school and why? I like science because it is fun. I like math because I like calculation. Submit. What sport do you like and why? Do not like, sorry. I don't like kabaddi because it is hard. Next, what do you like? Write simple sentence describing personal preferences. I like playing cricket. 6/6. Now next. ओके, इस पर हमारा CLS का सेशन नंबर 6 भी कंप्लीट हुआ.